Canva is a very great online tool. Probably everyone has Canva on their smartphone right now for designing simple designs for their business or doing it for others. But there's one simple truth people don't know about Canva. You can actually make a lot of money from Canva. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 ways you can make money from Canva, or will I say 7 side hustle you can do with Canva. I'm going to be breaking it down into 7 places, and now you can practically make money from these side hustles with just your smartphone. Number 1 is print on demand. These are kind of design you see on products like t-shirt, mug, papers, books, and all of that. Now you can actually create this design and take it to a printing press or a printing company that is near to you. Then you can print it on that shirt, on that banner, or that mug. Then you can deliver it to your clients or to your customers, and they pay you for your service. Now, number 2 ways is to offer it as a service. Now, this is where you work for brands and business or individuals by creating simple designs for them, for their business, them like logo, business card, flyers, and all of that, because every business right now, they need creative, they need designs for their business. Not every business owners or every brand can sit down and create simple designs for themselves. So they need people like you to do these simple jobs for them, and you get paid for your service or your value. An easy way you can start this is by reaching out to business and brands and offering to design for them for free. Okay, if you can design for them for free and they like your job, they can hire you to design for their brands or for themselves, and you can easily use this to build a portfolio for yourself in case you want to reach out to business again. Now you can easily up your game by taking it to Canva and Upwork by creating an account with them and offering your service to foreign clients in those platforms. Now the third way out of the 7 ways to make money from Canva is by creating low content book on Amazon Kindle Publishing. Amazon KDP is a platform where you can create and sell low content book, journals, and ebooks. The best part is that you can create everything from Canva, creating the front covers, the interiors, and every single thing. And here's the best part: Amazon take care of the rest. What you have to do is to create everything on Canva, then place it on Amazon. Amazon will take care of the promoting, the shipping, the delivering, the printing, and they give you a commission. Now Amazon have over 300 million American users who purchase books every year from Amazon KDP. So check it out. Now the fourth way is by creating digital product via Canva. Now you can create carousel, you can create ebooks, you can create journals via Canva, and you can market this through your social media like Instagram. And the fifth way you can make money from Canva is to become a Canva content creator. Now there are channels on YouTube here that are dedicated to Canva. Now you can have a channel on YouTube or Instagram. You tell people the new and cool features about Canva, features, the good thing about Canva, how they can design simple designs, and you can monetize it. That's one of the best way. And also sell your courses to your audience. Now the sixth way is to join the Canva Pro affiliate program. Now Canva has a pro program where you have access to unlimited templates on their platform. You can join the Canva Pro affiliate program, you get your unique affiliate link, and when someone purchases the Canva Pro through your affiliate link, you get paid a commission for recommending that person. Now the 7th way to make money from Canva is to become a Canva coach or a Canva instructor. Now you can become a group instructor or a personal instructor, or you can have a lesson on Canva where you teach people how they can make good use of Canva. And before you can do this, you must have gathered some experience and you must have been good using Canva before you can go ahead with this. And once you have mastered this, you can go ahead teaching people how they can create stunning design using their smartphone. This is what I do personally, and I've made a lot of money from it. Now we'll drop a link in the description that leads you to this very course, and go ahead and check it out for yourself. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching to this end. I believe you found this content valuable. If you do so, please do well to give this video a like. It's very important. It helps me and it helps YouTube. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click on that subscribe button and turn on bell notification so YouTube can notify you anytime I drop valuable and awesome videos like this. I'm very confident you will find my video very valuable, so do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notification, and also give this video a like so that it can reach out to more people. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.